Welcome to our channel where today we'll walk you through the simple process to log into your GoTranscript account. Without any hassle, welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring how to log into your GoTranscript account quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a new user or have been with GoTranscript for a while, this step-by-step guide will simplify the login process for you. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official GoTranscript website. The URL should be entered carefully to avoid any typos which might lead you to a fraudulent page. Once you have reached the home page, look towards the upper right corner where you will find the Login button. Clicking this will redirect you to the login page where you will need to enter your credentials. The next step is to input your registered email address in the email field accurately. Then, enter your correct password in the password box. It's important to ensure both fields are filled correctly to avoid login errors. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option below the password box labeled Forgot Password. Clicking here will guide you through the process to reset it via your registered email. After filling in your login details, click the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you can navigate through your transcripts, order new jobs, or update your profile settings. For additional security, some accounts may require two-factor authentication. If that's the case, you will receive a verification code on your linked device or email which you will need to enter to complete the login process. Remember to always log out after your session, especially if you are using a public or shared computer. This ensures your personal information remains protected. By following these simple steps, accessing your GoTranscript account becomes straightforward and secure. Don't worry if you encounter issues. GoTranscript offers customer support that you can reach out to for assistance. Stay tuned with our channel for more practical guides and tips to make your online experiences easier and more productive. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to keep supporting our content and receive updates on our latest tutorials and guides.